kids! Today, we're going to learn numbers.
Yeah! Okay.
One bright sun. Two white clouds. Three big trees. Four small branches. Five mommy birds. Six egg nests. Seven little birds. 8 birds. 9 birds. 10 little birds. 10 little birds. 10 little birds. 10 little birds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 little birds. 10 little birds. 10 little birds. 10 little birds. How many? Number, help us count. How many? Number, help us count. Numbers, help us count. How many?
How many are there?
1 2 3 4 5